Anybody missing something? Out here doing a trail cleanup in Wilkeston, Washington. And this thing has been stripped of all of its VINs, but we ended up finding a few more. This will be taken down and placed so it can get picked up. This is what the Gambler 500 is all about, cleaning up your local community area, off-road areas, especially when people, you know, quote unquote, claim their vehicle was stolen, but we pretty sure this was a dump job. Unfortunately, not nice. So we got a Jeep connected to a Dodge Ram, which is in turn connected to another Jeep. Nice. Not sketchy at all. This is fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's all fine. Sometimes you just gotta say, yeah, that'll be fine until it's not. It's fine. It's completely fine. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. I guess we found out what happens here. It's fine. It's completely fine. Here we go. All the yoink. Nope.
No?
Nope.
Well, if he goes forward and I go backwards.
One more time. Nope. Damn. Oh, that's it. That's impressive.
That's a good one.
This is a good one.
It's still holding it up.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. But the Walmart Hyper Tough, she put in some work. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.